Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to add hidden fields, also known as URL parameters, in Typeform. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. To get started, log into your Typeform account and open the form you'd like to work with. Once you're inside the form editor, look for the workflow section near the top of the page. Depending on your Typeform version, you may also see options related to personalization or data management. Inside the workflow area, find the option for hidden fields or pull data in. Click on it to begin creating your parameters. Next, select Add New Parameter and enter the names of the fields you want to capture. For example, you might create fields called first_name, email, campaign, or source. When naming your hidden fields, it's a good idea to use lowercase letters and underscores instead of spaces. This helps keep your URLs clean and avoids potential formatting issues. After creating your hidden fields, save the changes to your form. Now it's time to build the special URL that will pass data into those fields automatically. Open the Share section and copy your Typeform link. Then add your hidden field values to the end of the URL. When someone opens the customized URL and submits the form, the hidden information will be recorded along with their responses. The user won't see these fields, but you'll be able to view the data in your results and reports. And that's it. You've successfully added hidden fields to your Typeform and can now collect additional data behind the scenes while keeping the user experience simple and streamlined. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.